Hello students, today I am going to explain you next poem of our syllabus, that is poem 6. Name of the poem is Where the Mind is Without Fear. This poem is very popular poem and very important also, which is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore has written many poems, plays and poems, and you have to keep in mind that he has also received Nobel Prize for this. He wrote a collection of poems in his very famous book Gitanjali, and for that book he got Nobel Prize. So he is a Nobel Prize winner, and you also have to know that he was popularly known as Gurudev, and he has also written our national anthem Jan Gan Man. So today we are going to read his very famous poem Where the Mind is Without Fear. Actually, this poem was published in 1910 and its English version was published in 1912. Okay, so this poem became very famous in that time. Now you have to see one thing, as this poem was published in 1910 or 12, that was a time when we were slaves actually. When Indians were slaves of Englishmen, Britishers. There was a rule of Britishers. Everybody was bound, nobody was free, okay, and everybody wanted freedom. But one thing you have to see, that we were not only bound to Britishers only, we were also bound to so many customs, old practices, caste system and all. So Rabindranath Tagore is watching a dream for his country where people should be free and people should live without fear. So what is his dream? This poem is Dream of Rabindranath Tagore for his future country. So what does he see? What does he tell? Let's read. The Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. The poet Rabindranath Tagore says that in future his country will be free and the mind will be without fear. There will be no fear in anybody's mind, and the head is held high. The head is held high means everybody will live with respect. Where knowledge is free, all will get knowledge, all will get a kind of free education, and all will be free to be educated. There will be no we can say restrictions on the people, that one person can study and the other can't. So all will be free to be educated, to get knowledge.